Six out of 10 are. You only like deluxe. You like the D.
Kawasaki.
We're here. Dito tayo sa Dainese. And we'll see what we can do. You're allowed to go up.
If you stare at it long enough.
Comes yours.
Maybe. If you behave and you put it on your Christmas list, Santa, you could very well.
I'm quiet. And behave.
Yeah, you've not behaved.
No.
You haven't seen him 5 minutes.
Just seeing. Yeah.
What? A few days ago we were just at South End, now we're here. Sarah.
Oh, Cuba, I've got this video,
California Superbike School number 1, number 2, number 3, level 4. And it goes every single thing, guys. Look at this. It's your ones, Valentin. This is the secret. That guy called this helmet secret. The famous guy in the Philippines, you know. OMG. Oh man. Wow. So, andito nga tayo sa Dainese. Ang daming mga sapatos, grabe. Ang daming mga gamit pang motor. Wow. Nakakalula man. Ang dami. So, may bilang si Mrs. ng sapatos pero ordering ka na lang online. Nakakatakot daw. May nanakawan ng motor eh. Mahirap na. But the gloves, man. The helmets. The jackets and stuff. Look at that. It's on sale. What's the price? $659 pa rin. Mahal pa rin. Wow. It's amazing. I could be going home with a jacket. Who knows? Right. Kiss all on my clothes, my hand.
you will then slip and you will take the impact on the elbow. So that is stating you stay for both at your reservoir. So staying on protection extremely important. With these you have titanium knuckles, titanium tendon protection. You've got full BCP down the little finger.
It's like a leather jacket.
You're getting maximum flexibility.
You guys crazy, man. I ain't getting caught today. I'm not getting caught by the police. This guy is madness. Oh, I mean, like, we're on our way home, so this is what the city lights look like, guys. By the way, you just learned by the way, guys, we just learned something at Dainese today that about the importance of the gears. And it's so amazing to learn a lot more why you should be wearing gears, like while riding motorcycle. It's what you need, to be honest, like as they mentioned. It's what everybody needs, like especially when riding. I mean, it's for your safety. Like people will be saying that it's so expensive, it's too much because of the brand. But the brand states itself. The price states itself for safety. Like I wouldn't pay for a cheap brand and don't get the safetiness of it. 07 07 03 Can't really rush them. Man, this guy is crazy, man.